Embark on an unforgettable exploration, conquering nature and challenges at every thrilling turn.
Footage anyone ever seen of D and me? Wait. Follow me. Going to the river. Just a little bit on what we're doing. We're going to a train tunnel that's been closed for about 80 years, and it runs right through the wall. It's going to be epic. We got this. So we made it down the bank. Pretty good bank. Truck's like way up there. Pointer finger out. We are at the river. Start of our journey. So this is going to be the end of our journey, down and around the bend. The beginning's about 3 miles up there. 2 miles. We got a hike ahead of us.
Let's go. You taking a picture?
No. Always video.
Crash!
Oh, Titanic crash.
Somebody's
coming up the hill. So the truck's parked right over there. So we're gonna leave it. We're gonna try and come back to the truck from upriver. That's the plan. Let's keep going. So you know, we got about a mile upriver. We gotta go around this switchback before we can get to the other side of the mountain for the train tunnel. So that's where we're going. The river's real calm right now. Just like glass. And you can't beat it. So we're gonna paddle around. Enjoy. River's flowing pretty fast, but I think we might be able to get up this little tributary, which seems pretty slow.
I think they'd be trying to get up on.
So we're beaching the boats.
You're just going back out.
We made it from way down there. That's where the truck is. We're gonna beach them here, and we're just gonna hike. So from here on out, going feet. Let's get out of this river. So I believe kind of where that sun line is, just out in the distance there past Danielle's head, is where the mouth of the entrance is. And that side doesn't say forbidden, and it doesn't say you can't drink the juice. So, whoa, what the hell is that? Come back, talk to that later. So we're gonna try and get around there before it gets too dark. Up out of the water here. And this is our first obstacle. We gotta go up and over this ridge and across. So that's where we're off to.
Is there fishes in there?
Oh yeah. I think there's beavers in there for sure. We got it all dammed up. It's a deer crossing the river, guys. Right there. Woo! So, we're getting close. It's like a half mile in front of us. We can kind of see where the train comes in. But the cheatgrass. Man, look at this. She brought pants. I didn't. This is where the old railroad tracks used to come in. And they'd run right down there into the side of the mountain. And that's where we're going. Right there. What's she pointing at?
Way down.
We're up to our hips.
Keep going. Slow down. Let me see your socks.
You're in so much pain.
Oh my God. That's all cheatgrass. You poor guy.
The road's right there.
We finally made it up.
In the heck, guys. I just came through that field right there. Look at this. These are the most pointiest barbs you can think of in your life. Each one's like a sewing needle. Going into my foot right now. I mean, they're packed in there.
It's time to abandon the socks.
This is the shoe I was wearing before. Look at this. No wonder why people don't go looking for gold.
It's painful.
What the heck, Mom?
I told you to wear pants. Look at me.
No, come on.
Want to see my socks?
She's two on it. And then...
Huzzah! Pants.
Maybe we should have wore pants. This looks like a porcupine just raped my sock. All right, last push, guys. This is the cavern coming up. And that's the way in. Let's go. What do we got, Mom?
Really cool looking cup.
Oh, yeah. There it is, guys. After miles and miles,
Through the G.
we found it. So there's the old railroad tracks coming in there. From that hawk. It's almost sunset. Down to no socks. I had to leave them. Horrible freaking pain, but we're here. Let's get in that tunnel, guys. Scaring them birds out, Mom. Can you believe it's been 8 years we've been talking about going in here?
Why does it seem like you guys finished work?
I don't know, be careful. Watch them beams above your head. These look pretty treacherous. Wow. The architecture here. This is amazing. Oop.
It's gonna get really muddy really fast.
I think so. Look. It's super rocky.
Yeah.
I think it's the time to stop and have a Red Bull.
Gives you wings. We can fly through.
Look at the size of this place. Obviously, there's a bit of a cave in there at one time. It's all wood. I mean, like the Taj Mahal, all the way to the other end. It's amazing. What in the frick? Somebody rode a motorbike through here. Got a bit of a cave in here. Going around it. Definitely came from up there. Whole ceiling's kind of just hanging above our heads. Keep moving, there's a board above your head. You got one hanging right there? That'll kill you. I got this.
Thank you.
Made it. I'd say run that beam. Crossed. Jump. It's wet.
What is that?
This wall's about to give out here. Let's just keep going. There's lights up there in the tunnel. I don't know if you guys can see them. There's definitely lights down there. We don't know what they are yet. Oh. You getting scared yet?
A little bit. When did you get done off?
The killer rides a dirt bike. We're getting in here, ways. See the light back there? And then the light way down there. Those are demon lights. Can't believe we're even in here. Whoa, the wood goes away. It's all just rock from there. Shine the light up there, would you? Oh, Jesus. Like all the wood goes away up top. See that? Wood, rock. Ooh.
You want to throw the lantern?
I can't see anything anyways. Just following you. So we've gone from a spot that is like finished with wood. Can you shine your light up there? So it's all finished with wood, and then it just stops, which is kind of scary. And the rest of this is just a big cave. So that had bracings back there. So we're about mid-tunnel now. And the ore is actually pretty cool looking. It's hard to see on my camera, but there's where we came in. And there's where we're going to. So we're about halfway, maybe a little less. But the ore on the walls is pretty freaking awesome.
Ready? Yeah, it's kind of squishy.
So we stay on the high ground. Whoa. I went into the puddle. Hoping it'll help my cheatgrass problem. Man, this place is like a 25-foot ceiling. Maybe 30. I mean, it's really tall. It's probably the biggest cave I've ever been in my life. Oh, that's cave goo. That's definitely cave goo. That's cave poo, if you ask me.
Oh, we passed the
We're out of the wet of it.
we passed the light, didn't we?
I think it was the puddles of water there.
Wasn't it green?
It looked like lights for sure.
There's a tunnel under the tunnel.
There's a guy in the tunnel.
So I thought, get your knife.
What an amazing place.
So nice and clear.
It's so big in here.
Green.
Like my phone does not capture where your light's hitting. Like shine it at the ceiling. Like that is so far up. It's crazy. You could fit like 4 trains in here. I don't know why they went so deep.
Oh,
Like you could build a whole military base in here. It's crazy. That's the end though. Got another 1/4 mile. it's kind of like no fucking braces in here. Look how big it is in here though. Like it really opens up here. It's pretty amazing. Look at this wall. Look at the veins in it. Just run straight up. That is crazy. Well, didn't see any scary monsters today. Kind of glad. Cheatgrass was enough for me. I'm about to just swim across the river and leave Danielle to figure out how to get kayaks back. That is amazing. I think it's all salt and like high calcium concentrate. Are you squeaking? Looks like a kid turned around here. See? All right, guys. Made it out. Back to the beginning. The beautiful architecture. We did it. Hope you enjoyed the ride. We're going to head back to our kayaks. Doubt anybody will join us for the rest of the trip. So, you know, like, sub, do all those great things. Help our channel out. Man, it got really warm just coming out of there. I'm going to head back with no socks. Look at the size of that beam. This runs way down there. It's an amazing trip. Hope you guys enjoyed that. That was a trip to the Nighthawk train tunnel here in Orville, Washington. God bless and good night. All right. A little more brutal coming out than in. I got no socks. I'll tell you, this cheatgrass is just chewing me up, but came out down there about a mile back. Instead of going down the lower trail that we came in, taking Danielle's advice, we're on the upper hill. We're heading out.
Did we do it? We did it?
We did it.
We did it, yeah.
That's Danielle's kayak. That's mine.
It's almost dark.
We made it back just at the edge of the darkness. You can see the way the canyon kind of wraps around. Still a little light down there by the tunnel, but that is several miles back.
Hopefully we can find the truck.
My poor feet hate me. I have never in my life had that many cheatgrasses stab me at once.
It was quite painful. I was going to piggyback him out. Yes, it was. She's a footage of that.
Cry for me, YouTube. Don't die.
Don't die.
Don't do it, Mom.
Ah!
You made
Leg
it.
cramp!
You need more salts.
Ah!
I think we should drink Element.
I need a fucking banana.
They don't sponsor us, but I hear it's good.
An element.
Element.
Ah!
It's for hikers.
Okay.
Supposedly it has all the salts and sodiums that we've lost. Do you think we need more salt and sodium?
No, we need to get back to our truck.
We don't need Element?
We need more Red Bull.
No Element today.
No element.
I'll convince her later, guys. All right, we're getting out of here, guys. It is literally dark. We got to go down this river right here. It's really hard to tell, but it winds down there. If you remember from before, that's where the truck was, kind of up the mountain.
Hurry up, come on.
So we got to go and Apparently me standing here with my muddy fingers talking to you guys is taking too much time, so let's go, fun guys. She's talking to herself back there again. They say people that talk to themselves are crazy. Or YouTubers. Nobody really knows. Maybe we're all just crazy YouTubers.
Look this way. Running speed.
She's coming for us. I think I got a leech in the kayak or something. Oh, she really is coming. Hey! What? Ow!
Look at my camera compared to yours.
Oh, yeah. I should have kept her camera. She has the really nice one. And me being lame. That's the lame one.
What are you talking about? This is my upgrade.
My upgrade, she says. It's my upgrade. Yeah, you can't even tell how beautiful that wall is. You could earlier though. So the truck's just like right there. I'm gonna go ahead and turn this off till I make it to the bank because it is getting very dark quick. Now that's a woman. It's hard to tell from here, but she's dragging both kayaks. What a beast. All right, folks. I hope you guys enjoyed that adventure with us today. Here's a couple of the highlights. Ooh, that hurt. Hey, like, sub. We love you. See you in the next one.